guys, so as y'all may have seen on Instagram, I got a new set of wheel, a set of 15 by 8 plus 25 TE37 SL. Plus I got a new set of tires. They are maxxis RC1 225 45 15. They're used tires. They already got, I think, 4 sessions, so they used but still usable. It's gonna be my first time using 100 tread wear tires. 15 by 8 plus 25 is a pretty aggressive setup on the EG. 10 millimeter more offset or less. Well, they're gonna poke out 10 millimeters more than my my older set. But first, before installing the tires and putting it on the car, I'm gonna be ceramic coating the wheels. It's gonna protect the wheel from brake dust and dirt. And so shout out to sh-awd. They're gonna do the ceramic coating on the TE37. So let's hop in the daily and let's do some pull on the way. Why not? Alright, so we are a couple days later. The wheel are ceramic coated. The tire are installed on the wheel. Again, shout out sh-awd for the ceramic coat on the wheel. If you are in the greater Montreal, ask them for a quote. Go like their Facebook page. Go check them out. But right now, let's try these wheels on the EG, shall we?
Who gon' have your back when you run off on a dealer? The robbers want your head, the police wanna kill you. This shit is so familiar, I remember day it happened. Broke a quarter key to rocks like a pellet, money stacking. 2 days almost, and the dope is gone. Riding on some chrome, blowing on some strong. Pocket full of stones, bumping that UGK. Rest in heaven, pimp, that was back in the day.
Oh, no, no, no.
Alright, so the wheel are installed on the car. Definitely gonna need some more negative camber. As expected, they plus 25, my old set was plus 35. So it poked out 10 millimeters more than my old set. It's not that bad. In the rear, not that bad either. Gonna have to pull a little bit more the fender and more negative camber. I would like to get the car a little lower, but right now I can't because of the exhaust is hanging a little too low because of my header. It kind of angles towards the floor, so the exhaust is hanging lower. Gonna have to find a way to fix that. I can roll like this for now, since the car is not too low. So yeah, I think it's gonna be it for today. Check us out on Instagram. Yeah, see you next time.